So, in primary and secondary alcohol, the intensity of molecular ion peak is less abundant, but it is absent in tertiary alcohol. So, this is the basic difference between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Second point, the M plus peak is formed by the removal of one electron from the lone pair of oxygen atom of primary and secondary alcohols. The fragmentation of CC bond adjacent to oxygen atom, that is alpha cleavage, is preferred fragmentation mode. So, in all alcohol, fragmentation is at alpha cleavage. The signal at M by 31 appears in the large abundance in the mass spectrum of methanol and other aliphatic primary alcohols. This is due to the formation of oxonium ion. So, oxonium ion having a structure CH2 double bond OH plus. Primary alcohol shows M plus minus 18 peak correspond to the loss of water. Similarly, a primary alcohol having a chain of 4 or more carbon atoms shows a peak which correspond to M plus minus 18 minus CnH2n group, and here fragmentation of primary alcohol is written here. So, water molecule is lost and we get propene radical here. This type of radical cation is formed, 4 carbon chain, and here central 2 atom having a double bond. So, neutral water molecule is lost and this type of cation is formed, radical cation. So, long chain members may show a peak corresponding to successive loss of H radical at M minus 1, M minus 2 and M minus 3. So, long chain members show corresponding successive loss of H radical M minus 1, M minus 2, M minus 3, that is loss of hydrogen radical, one hydrogen radical, second hydrogen radical, third hydrogen radical. It is shown in this reaction. So, suppose this is primary alcohol long chain and here CH2OH group is there, it will remove one electron, form a molecular ion. Now, this molecular ion undergoes rearrangement by removal of this H radical. H radical is lost from this carbon hydrogen bond. So, one electron goes on this side, one goes on this side, and radical cation electron forming a double bond here. Similarly, second H radical is lost, this CH bond, and we get here H radical is lost, this H, OH H is lost, then one electron is goes here, one is with the hydrogen radical, and this type of radical cation is formed. This is only cation. In first step, cation is there. Here on second hydrogen lost of OH group, it will form radical cation plus and radical. Similarly, third CH bond loss is there and H radical is lost. So, it will form C triple bond O plus. So, this radical is lost. So, it becomes oxygen becomes positively charged. So, this is M minus 1, M minus 2, M minus 3 peaks. The oxonium ion CH2OH plus is most significant peak for primary alcohol. So, M by 31 correspond to oxonium ion and it is most significant peak for primary alcohol. Now, for secondary alcohol, cleavage to give prominent peak due to this type of cation RCH double bond OH plus at M by value 41. So, in secondary alcohol M by 31 is not found, that indicates the fragment series is 45, 59, 73, indicates secondary alcohol. If fragment series starting from 31, 45, 59, 73, 87 like that, it indicate it is primary alcohol. Now, in tertiary alcohol, fragment give prominent peak due to RR dash C double bond OH plus cation at M by 59, 73, 87. So, 31 and 45 M by value fragment is not observed here in tertiary alcohol. So, this is the difference between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol on the mass spectra, on the basis of mass spectra. So, this difference between primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. So, primary alcohol the fragmentation series is starting from 31, 45, 59, 73, 87 like that. Secondary alcohol starting from 45, 73, 87, 45, 59, 73 and so on. So, absence of 31 M by 31 indicates it is secondary alcohol. Now, in tertiary alcohol, different fragment ion starting from 59, 73, 87 like that way. So, absence of 31 and 41 fragment indicate it is a tertiary alcohol. Now, in addition to the alpha cleavage, primary alcohols also undergoes beta gamma delta cleavage to form a peak at M by value 45, 59, 73. So, beta, gamma and delta cleavage also there along with the alpha cleavage. Now, here important compound 1-butanol, fragmentation of 1-butanol is shown here. So, this is the 1-butanol compound having a 4 carbon atom, it is a primary alcohol. So, 1 electron is lost from the lone pair, it will form a molecular ion. So, or it is a parent ion. So, alpha cleavage is there and it will form oxonium ion at M by 31 and which is a base peak in the mass spectrum. Similarly, second cleavage is at alpha bond. So, this radical is lost and this propyl cation is formed. This propyl cation is primary one, it undergoes rearrangement. This adjacent neighboring hydrogen is lost with attack with pair of electron here on electron deficient carbon atom. So, this carbon losing electron, so it becomes positively charged in the next resonating structure and this carbocation is a secondary one and stability of this secondary carbocation is more than the primary carbocation. So, that is why M by 43 fragment ion is observed. Now, alcohol undergoes M minus 18 peak. So, loss of water molecule. So, N-butanol having a terminal hydrogen and OH group. So, it will be lost water molecule and we get this type of cyclobutane radical cation. And similarly, if N-pentanol is there, then also losing water molecule, it is shown here in second reaction. Cyclobutanol terminal hydrogen and OH lost a water molecule, M minus 18 peak is observed, cyclobutane radical cation, this one. Now, higher alcohol N-pentanol, here it is written. So, carbon chain is 5 member 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, fourth carbon attached proton losing water molecule due to this structure. So, this N-pentanol structure written in this way. So, it is nearest to this OH. So, it will lose water molecule and cyclic ring having a methyl substituent is formed as a radical cation. This cyclic structure or M minus 18 fragment undergoes rearrangement and it will losing neutral molecule ethylene and cation radical cation of 3 carbon chain alkenyl ion M by E 42 is obtained, CH2 double bond CH CH3 radical cation. So, this is the fragmentation of primary alcohol. Now, fragmentation of secondary alcohol. So, same example in case of primary alcohol it is 1-butanol, here it is 2-butanol. So, structure of 2-butanol is shown here. So, as molecular ion is formed by loss of 1 electron. This is the cyclobutanol secondary 2-butanol. So, radical cation is formed by removal of 1 electron, this is parent ion or molecular ion. Now, this CC bond alpha cleavage is there. So, it will eliminating ethyl radical and we get this cation M by 45 which is a base peak, this one, this is a base peak. So, loss of ethyl radical, here ethyl radical is lost. So, we get base peak here. Similarly, on this side this is also alpha carbon, this is also alpha carbon. So, alpha bond attached to the alpha carbon is alpha cleavage. So, methyl radical is lost and we get this type of cation having M by value 59. So, methyl radical, this methyl radical is lost. So, this 4 carbon means 3 carbon chain cation is formed. So, this is oxonium ion, substituted oxonium ion, M by value 59. So, alpha cleavage, it is obtained by alpha cleavage. So, here 31 peak is not obtained. You see M by E 31 is not obtained, it indicate it is a secondary alcohol. Now, example of tertiary butanol. Example of tertiary butanol. Here it is written. So, in tertiary butanol, molecular ion is formed by removal of one electron from the lone pair, and we get this type of tertiary ion, but molecular ion peak is not detected in the tertiary butanol. However, in primary and secondary alcohol, molecular ion peak is found in less abundance. In tertiary alcohol, it is not detected. So, it will losing alpha by alpha cleavage, methyl radical is lost. Here there are 3 methyl group is there at alpha position. So, any one CC bond is broken down. So, it is known as alpha cleavage, and methyl radical is lost and carbocation is formed like this way. Methyl radical is lost. So, 1 electron of carbon gaining and 1 electron from this molecular ion forming a double bond, carbon oxygen double bond, and this type of oxonium ion is formed, so having M by value 59, and this is the base peak, and 31 fragment ion at M by value 31 and 45 is not formed by any tertiary alcohol. It indicate it is a tertiary alcohol. So, here fragment ion starting from 59, if it is more substitution is there, here carbon chain is more, then higher fragment will be formed 59, 87 like that way. So, this is the fragmentation of in general primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. Now, in cyclic alcohol, it is aliphatic one, but cyclic, this type of cyclohexanol is there. So, molecular ion is formed by removal of 1 electron. So, radical cation is formed, M by value is 100. Now, this cyclohexanol radical cation lose hydrogen radical is lost, and it will form a M minus 1 peak. So, hydrogen correspond to 1 mass unit. So, 100 minus 1 equal to 99. So, it is M minus 1 peak correspond to structure like this, and H radical is lost. So, oxygen cation is there like this, and this cation losing water molecule. So, 18 mass unit is lost. So, M by E 81 is formed. Here hydrogen is there, this hydrogen and this hydrogen is lost, water molecule, okay. Water molecule is lost, and we get this cyclohexene cation M by E 81. This is cyclic alcohol in general. Now, let us see the aromatic alcohols. Both are, 2 example is there. For aromatic alcohol in general, we have seen the fragmentation of benzene. Benzene is a parent nuclei in aromatic alcohol. The relative abundance of M plus is fairly large. So, M plus molecular ion peak is intensity is very large in case of aromatic alcohol compared to aliphatic alcohol. Now, let us see the example of benzyl alcohol. So, OH group is attached at the side chain in the phenyl ring. So, benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. First of all, rearrangement is there. It is seen like this. This is the molecular ion of benzyl alcohol. So, this CH bond, H radical is lost, and one from OH, one from CH2 group and one from OH group, 2 H radical is lost, 2 H radical combining with each other to form H2 molecule. So, in general H2 molecule is lost. So, carbon oxygen double bond is formed here. So, radical cation is formed, this M correspond to M by Z 106. This cation, radical cation further losing H radical, and C6H5CO plus is appearing, which will losing neutral CO molecule to form phenyl cation correspond to M by Z value 77. This phenyl cation losing acetylene molecule to form C4H3 plus 1 M by Z 51. This is the one part. Now, on the second part, this molecular ion produced from the benzyl alcohol losing H radical first of all instead of H2. So, it will form this type of cation C6H5CHOH cation equivalent to this enolic form. Here positive charge is written here, but it is actually on this carbon atom. Okay, it is a mistake, printing mistake. So, this is the enolic structure. Now, it undergoes tautomerization into keto form like this. So, here carbonyl group is there, 2 hydrogen attached on this carbon atom, and this is cation. So, m by z value is 107. Now, this ketonic form losing CO neutral CO molecule to form cation like this m by z 79, and further this cation losing H2 molecule to phenyl cation, and further it will losing acetylene molecule to C4H3 plus m by z 51. So, this is the fragmentation of aromatic alcohol, benzyl alcohol. Second example is 1-phenyl ethanol. 1-phenyl ethanol, this is the example. So, 1 electron is removed from the lone pair, it will produce a molecular ion or parent ion. So, this will rearrange to this type of 7-member ring hydroxy substituted cation. This is the base peak correspond to m by z value 107 on removal of this methyl radical, okay, and after rearrangement. So, this 6-member ring is open. So, this CH carbon is a member of a 7-member ring, and this methyl radical is lost. On loss of methyl radical, this cation is formed, which will lose CO molecule, and we get m by 79, this type of cation. Further, this cation losing H2 to form phenyl cation, and phenyl cation losing acetylene molecule to form m by 51 C4H3 plus ion. So, these are the aromatic alcohols fragmentation. Now, another important class of compound, hydroxy compound, is phenols. So, phenol is a aromatic compound. So, directly attach OH group to the phenyl ring. So, molecular ion peak is intense, and in all phenolic compound it is a base peak. The peak due to the loss of hydrogen radical, that is m minus 1 peak, is small. The fragment ion due to the loss of CO is most significant. So, CO correspond to 28 mass unit is most significant, and 1 correspond to H. So, m minus 29 is less intense than m minus 28. So, fragmentation of phenol is so